how to use Maps on your iPad. Let's go to our Maps application. It's going to open up and show the entire United States or whatever country, wherever you're at. So let's go ahead and browse around. You notice that we got Google. This is powered by Google Maps. Got a little page down here. Looks like it's flipping back. Let's go ahead and flip that back. Got some different ways we can view our map. Standard, satellite, hybrid, or terrain. I like the hybrid view. It's going to actually show the street names as well as some of the terrain. We can do the traffic. Let's go ahead and turn that on. We can drop a pin. We'll get to that in a minute. We can actually print this map. So I'm going to change that to the hybrid view. So from here what we can do is we can just go ahead and zoom in. Zoom out, zoom in. We can also go up here, we can search. We can search for a bookmark if we've saved something with the little book. Or if we want to just see where we're actually at, use this little arrow right here. It's going to ask us if we want to allow it to use our current location. Yes, we do. That's why we're using Maps. It's going to find our location. So let's say we want to find the nearest Apple store. Search. Alright, so it shows an Apple store. So what we can do is we can click the little I right next to the Apple store. It's going to give us some information. We can get directions to here or from here. We can call them. We can check out their website, see their address, add it to a contact, share it with a friend if you wanted to share a Starbucks location with a friend that you're meeting, add it to a bookmark, whatever. What we're going to want to do is get directions to here. It's going to give us a couple different routes. We can select whichever route we want. Down here it's going to actually tell us the time it's going to take. Both of these are 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and hit start. It's going to just give us our directions, nice and simple. You can look at them in a list form. We'll put them back down. Up here now we've got a couple new options. We can actually flip these around. So now let's say we went from the Apple Store back to our current location. You know, if we're coming home, we've already gotten our directions. We've got these directions here sitting here again. We've also got car directions, bus directions, and walking directions. One cool thing about the Maps feature is it's going to help you even if you don't have a car. And if you want to walk, it's going to give you some good directions as well. Okay. Next, let's go up here and let's search. And one other way we might want to use the App Store. Sometimes I'm not sure if you know, Best Buy is having a good sale on a TV. So I'm going to go ahead and search Best Buy. You know, I could call them, but a lot of times I'll just go to their website. Takes us right to the website. So, easy way to find your stores and things you want to do for shopping on here. And last, let's do one more. Let's go back to the Apple Store. So what we've got here is a little yellow/orange circle with a person in it right next to it. It's going to come up if you type in your specific address as well. If you click it, it's actually going to give you the street view from where you're at. You can scroll around, see all around you know, where that store is. So this is at a mall, it's not actually showing it. But you can actually drive up the streets. So now you never have any excuse for not knowing where you're going. To exit this, down in the bottom right, we've got a little circle. Bring that back up, and that exits us out of the app. That's about it for Maps.